Let me show you how to make this cute hair bow using heat transfer vinyl. First, take your 1.5 inch ribbon measuring about 14 inches in length and cut the edges into a triangular shape. Don't forget to use the lighter. Now it's time to add your design. I'm using a heat transfer vinyl that I did with my Cricut. Once your design is ready, you can start folding your bow until it looks fine. Now, pinch the center of the ribbon and tie with a hair tie for placement. Hair ties are great because you can move things around until the bow looks exactly the way you want it. To secure it further, use a thread to finalize the knot in case the hair tie breaks. Now cut another piece of ribbon about 3 inches long and tie it around the center of the bow and use hot glue to secure everything in place. Finally, let's prep our hair clip. Attach it to the back of the bow and your adorable hair accessory is complete. And there you have it, a simple yet stylish hair bow that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this crafty tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And please give this video a like and leave a comment down below if you found it helpful. Happy crafting! Until next time, stay creative.